Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, it does.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos kind of stuff. So hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Yes guys, it is Vlogmas Day 7. It is the 7th of December and we're starting off the vlog. The hair gone, so yes, I pulled out the hair last night. It is in need of some washing, so I just want to look a little bit presentable for today. So I'm gonna keep on the hat for now. So I want to show you guys like the room, because I think this is what that vlog is going to be. Wait for it. So over here is, you know, pretty good, pretty fine, lovely. Why? Like, I don't know why, but anyways, we're cleaning. It's Christmas cleaning, so I have some laundry to do, which is the first thing I'm gonna do today. Then I'm gonna clean this. So, oh yes, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be posting the vlog. I started yesterday because I didn't really do much, so I'm gonna film something else. So I actually bought this for my room. I was actually looking for white, but I couldn't find the white, so I bought the red. And then the white ones I had here last year are gonna go there. So this is gonna come down, the white will go there, then the red will go here. And it's actually a blockout curtain, so it's kind of thick, so when I close it, it will look probably as dark or darker, yeah. So yeah, that's the aim for today, is just to get some laundry done and to clean. All right guys, so I've just finished class. I'm gonna find something to eat right now because I am hungry, so I'm gonna find something to eat and then I'll see you guys later. I actually started to wash, but I need to go check on that. I was in class, so yeah. Hey guys, say hi to sister. She's cleaning her room. The room I got done before for me, but yeah. Okay. So I am currently gonna take up some clothes. I washed, people, no wash. So yes, I'm gonna take up the clothes and then I have the sheets to like hang out like right after this. So I'm gonna do that. Guys, it has been like a lazy kind of day. I don't know. I guess probably because I did so much for the weekend. I am just drained. So I just wanted, I was supposed to actually have class, but ended up classes, like 2 other classes. One of them, they like were supposed to be at school and I forgot, so like I wasted like about half an hour in that time. And then I remember like you know, and then today, and then the last one now, they did not arrive, they did not come, so yeah, that was like 2 hours wasted for nothing. So yes, but we are done. So I was washing like in between classes and so on, so that is why I have clothes on the line. So I have the sheets left and my underclothes, like the small clothes, socks, underwear, and those stuff to wash now. And like the rest of the things out of my room. So I'm gonna take these up because I think they're dry now. They feel dry. The ones in the shade dry, which means the rest most dry. And the rest in the sun. So yes, I'm gonna take those up. So yeah, give me a second. Pull down something on them. Oh, that hello.
Hello. You are so great and
she said she wants to vlog.
What's your vlogging says?
I don't know.
You don't
so
know.
She's vlogging at the car by herself.
I know the car.
Okay, honey. It's not quite straight on the side.
Hi.
That's not a curtain for cutting. Already established.
I'm Johnson. I'm a killer. Hello. Hello. I'm a
Where I give the people them skit? Where call that ping pong? Cheers. I mean. The queen. Okay, why are you stressing?
Turn on. Turn on and see clothes.
Turn on. Jen, turn around and see clothes.
Future queen like mama. Hashtag goals.
Gotta. Then her area so you have to talk to
Did I tell you?
I wish you know what ear.
Well, they're not going to hear what you said. Oh. That didn't make no sense. That don't make no sense.
I love it a lot.
And I when I did from a brush them.
What to do, what to do, what to die.
So this is what the dresser looks like so far. I have the brushes that I'm supposed to wash to put up there. So yeah, that's where we at right now. The glass is clean, everything else is clean. I think the only thing, oh yes, this needs to go back on, but this doesn't stay there. I'm working on getting myself like something like that, another one, because when I stack it, it's tall enough to be like a nightstand. So I would do that and keep this on it as well as my candle. But I'm not even sure about the candle. I think the candle spots will be here. Alright guys, I had to pause for a bit because we have practice. So I'm gonna go to practice now and then I come back and finish. So yeah. Alright, so that is where I am. Oh yes guys, I'm changing out the, my brush. So it's the makeup brush thing. So I decided to wrap this. I didn't wrap the back, I just wrapped the front. At the front I show. I'm gonna wash the brushes and then put them in afterwards, so hopefully they all hold. I did also move the thing that held these and then just put these in the drawer. I probably like want one of these to put it in, like a little slim one, because the thing on it just look untidy. So I'm like, get rid of it. These I probably need to fix properly. This one could fixing up something. In here I'm gonna put the beauty blenders here, so I need to wash the others. Guys, I bought this yesterday, $250, and look there, I still don't know, so they're no good. But anyways, this is the other one I bought. I bought 2. Yeah, so that's going on. I'm cleaning here and I'm thinking I might want to put my, what do you call this, laundry basket right here, since it would probably fit there. So I don't know, I'm gonna finish fixing here and then I'll see. Alright guys, so this is the update. So I've fixed there, and this is my laundry bag that I bought off Amazon. I think you guys saw that in a few vlogs ago where I showed you guys what I got, you know, the day. And I'm gonna keep it there. It seems fine there along with the fan, you know. It seems a little bit neater than this one. So the reason I'm changing this one is it's broken, so I'm gonna have to, because if you guys realize it's broken. So yes, so that's gonna be thrown away after, or I might put it to different use, I don't know yet. So yes, over here is pretty much done, just to think like to neat up the drawer and such like that. So yeah, now the beds, as I said, this is what I sleep on. It's just I'm gonna do this one, and then the closet already fixed, just to take out back the pillows that I put in there, and then the bed, which is pretty much just the thing that you want it. So here is the next part I want to figure out, like organizational wise. So the hair thing, right? I wanted to put that up there, but then I'm thinking, if I have another one of this stack, it reaches probably about there, and it can be used as a night table, and I could probably put my socks in it. But right now it has in my hair stuff. Let me sit. So I was just thinking, you know, it would actually be fine to have it there, just have some of my hair stuff there, but the thing is they can hold that much. I want to put like these up here and see how that works. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I got the clips and stuff like that, and like scrunchies up here, and then in here I have my setters. I try to organize, but you know. Alright guys, so this is now done. So I decided to take down the mannequin. I think I showed that, I'm not sure, and put it in here since I have the space. So yeah, and those are the products. I still want to get rid of some of these, but you know, that's some money just so they might have to still use these. These are like nail stuff and all of that. So I have the nail polishes, this box I ended up putting like some nail stuff in that I need to use and all of that. So yeah, yes guys, so that's what that looks like. So hair is now clean. I need to straighten up the shoes soon. Yeah, I need to straighten the shoes, but before I do that, since that can stay for now, I'm gonna clear my bed because that needs to be done, and then I'm gonna do the clothes another time or later on, depending on how I feel. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm actually not at home, but I need to end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. Today's shout out goes to, the unscramble goes to Jelani Star TV. So today's motivational comment goes to Lavita Jennings. Her thing says, sometimes you just have to pick yourself up and carry on, something like that. You'll be here. And the emoji is also from Lavita Jennings. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.